Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta Kaise Banate Hain. Start by boiling 4 liters of salted water, add pasta, and stir to prevent sticking. Cook until al dente, then reserve a cup of pasta water. Drain the pasta quickly and finish cooking in the sauce for better flavor absorption. Toss with olive oil or butter, season with salt and pepper, and serve hot for the best texture and taste. Warm and friendly tip time. Make your sauce shine by saving about 1 cup of pasta water before draining. Add pasta directly to the sauce and toss over medium heat so starches marry the oil or butter. If the sauce is too thick, add small amounts of reserved water until you reach the desired consistency. Taste and adjust seasoning, then serve immediately for a fresh, balanced plate. Let me point out mistakes to avoid so your pasta turns out great every time. Overcooking ruins the bite, so aim for al dente and check a minute early. Rinsing removes starch that helps sauce adhere, so skip rinsing unless making a chilled salad. Adding oil to the water prevents sauce from sticking, so rely on stirring and proper sauce technique instead for glossy, flavorful results on the plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.